Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I make oxtail stew from scratch. So the first thing I did was to wash my oxtail with vinegar and water. I washed it a few times until I saw that the water was clear, and then I put it in a bowl for me to start seasoning it. What I used to season it is I chopped up half an onion or one onion, depending on your preference. And I also chopped half a sweet pepper, and I ground 2 cloves of garlic. I also seasoned with all-purpose seasoning, oxtail seasoning, some dried thyme, black pepper, mixed herbs, jerk BBQ sauce, browning sauce, and mixed spice and bay leaves, which you'll see later on. I did lose the footage of me actually adding in some of the seasonings, so that's why you can see that it's like halfway done. But right now I'm just adding in the barbecue sauce. So after adding in the barbecue sauce, I make sure to mix it in with my hands. I like to use my hands to mix seasoning in. I know some people don't like to do this. I'm also adding in a few drops of soy sauce just for colour and for flavour as well. So yeah, I like to use my hands, and I find that it gets in, and I make sure that it's well marinated and mixed. I usually prefer to also marinate my meat overnight, but due to the fact that I didn't have time that day, I just did it on the spot. And because of the seasonings I used and how I prepared it, it actually tastes the same as it would if I did it the day before. So yeah, so just mixing, and yeah. So now I'm transferring it into the pressure cooker, and the pressure cooker we use is the Pressure King. So what I do is I pour all the meat in, and then I now use the same bowl that I used to mix the marinade in to add water to the pot. So I basically rinse the pot out and rinse the bowl out with water and added it to the pot. I then added the bay leaves. So I've now left it on the stew setting and for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes I went to check on it again. It had not been fully done, so I added a bit more seasoning, which was dried thyme and mixed herbs, and mixed it around. I then checked it again after around 20 minutes to see if it was okay. Adding more seasoning, I add mixed spice this time. I would say this took around an hour to cook in total. So yeah, now it has finished cooking, and the way I know that it's finished cooking, I'm able to pierce my fork through it, and it actually breaks off the bone. So you'll see that now. It kept breaking off when I was trying to show you, but yeah, that's the finished product, and I hope you guys like this. Stay tuned for my next video, which will be fried rice, and because I did pair it with fried rice as I didn't really fancy rice and peas or white rice, so that will be my next video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.